The new Mercedes-Benz UCI Cross Country World Cup season started with the short track in Albstadt. After 5 wins out of 6 short track World Cups last season, Annika Langvad was the undisputed favourite. Overall World Cup winner Jolanda Neff is still waiting for that elusive short track win. However, the 26-year-old started in usual style and took the whole shot. The beginning of the race was controlled by the Swiss riders. Ramona Forcini, Catherine Sternemann and Sina Frey completed the leading pack. In her first elite World Cup race, Frey showed no signs of intimidation. The Danish powerhouse Langvad was not in her usual prime position, but she wasn't to be ruled out just yet.
Oh, it was a tough one. It always is. It's a new season. Legs need to get going. The World Cup mind as well.
But by the halfway mark, it was another rider who took to the front, Elisabeth Brandau. The German was fueled on by the home crowd.
Yeah, it was really cool at home to race, and I know I'm feeling a lot good, and I know that when I'm staying in front, then I can keep up the pace.
But Neff wasn't giving up. The threat of an attack loomed in the air. Reigning world champion Kate Courtney moved up through the pack, and it came down to a sprint finish.
Kate Courtney goes, and I don't think Jolanda Neff can go with her or can she. Here comes Jolanda Neff, but Courtney is going to hold on.
The American took her first ever short track World Cup win.
This is huge for me. I think, short track has been a new addition and something really exciting that's mixing up the front row, and I think it really gives you the opportunity to earn that spot, so I'm excited that I was able to do it today.
Swiss duo Jolanda Neff and Catherine Sternemann rounded out the top 3. For the first time in short track history, Annika Langvad did not finish in the top 2. The Swiss team showed a strong performance with 5 riders in the top 10. Kate Courtney goes into Sunday's race wearing the prize leader's jersey for the first time in her elite career. The first men's Mercedes-Benz UCI Mountain Bike World Cup short track race of the new season provided plenty of dramatic action in Albstadt, Germany. Reigning overall World Cup winner and UCI World Champion Nino Schurter was poised to take his first steps to defending his title. In the early stages of the 9-lap race, Schurter kept his position near the front of the race as a variety of contenders took up the lead and drove the field forward. Last year's star Mathieu van der Poel was nowhere to be seen. At one point, he was just off the rear of the field. On to lap 5 and Schurter decided to take up the pace. He was soon joined by the Brazilian Henrique Avancini. Memories of his first World Cup last year, no doubt driving him forward. A group of 5 riders formed a breakaway group, and this seemed to finally provoke van der Poel into action. A stunning burst of energy on the bridge on lap 7 saw him fly past a number of riders and signal his intent for the last 2 laps. Switzerland's Lars Forster took on his teammate Schurter in an attack that looked like he might secure his first win. But van der Poel was merely waiting for his chance and once again showed what an expert at short track he is. A stunning attack taking him over the line. So a first win for van der Poel in Albstadt, Forster taking second and Schurter finishing in third.
Short track is something I'm good at, and on Sunday it will be a different story again, but of course it's already good to win this race, and let's hope to do a good race on Sunday.
It's a hard one, so I'm looking forward to it, and especially like with the feeling today I had during the short track race, felt really strong and good, so I'm looking forward, yeah.
So the Dutchman, Mathieu van der Poel, heads into Sunday's race with the leading rider jersey in his possession.
Hey, this is Kate Courtney. Thanks for watching Red Bull Bike. For more awesome videos, make sure to subscribe.